What is going on, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back. All right, so we got a bunch of DJI accessories here. So I picked up the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Here's the carry bag. I actually also, I'll do a separate video on it, but I purchased two of these DJI Osmo Pocket 3 bags and the DJI Mic 2 bags, because these are the waterproof bags. And I'm going to throw um, other DJI mics in those bags, and I'm just going to label the bags. But so here's the Osmo Pocket 3, and then I picked up a bunch of accessories here. So we got a couple different size clamp-on lights. We have a silicone mount base where you could just sit this on a table, dock the camera in it. We got the FConcepts charging pass-through base that you can clip on. We've got a couple of these FConcept adapter folding bases. These are a lot like the these guys right here that I have for the GoPro Hero 13s. This one's just happens to be made by V-Rig. Then we got this is a back cover. Covers the back of the unit. And then we have this guy right here, which is a magnetic mounting stand. So the back is magnetic. And we got this guy right here, which is another version. This one's just not magnetic. This has a couple finger mounts on it. We got a tripod that you can use as a monopole, as well as it's got a little remote on it. And this is it's a portable adjustable stand tripod. And you can use this, it's got a standard 1/4-20 thread. And this collar locks these legs closed if you're using it as like an extension pole. And it goes all the way up to 68.9 inch. So pretty tall. And we have a Falcam accessory bracket here that you can go on it. We have this right here, which is it's a vacuum magnetic mount kit. So the vacuum's actually in here, and it actually is electronic. So you can actually just, press it up against something. It'll automatically start vacuuming. And then this is the magnetic mount that it goes to for it. And this is what clamps around the unit itself. We got a couple hot shoes adapters. So this one is the DJI Mic series camera adapter. This is the hot shoe adapter that works for the DJI Mic Mini, and the DJI Mic 3. And then we have the hot shoe mic adapter for the DJI Mic 2. And we have a DJI Mini lightning adapter here, as well as we have some VXLR Plus, VXLR Pro, and a standard VXLR adapter, 3.5 adapter here. We got a couple little shades that you can clip on. These two right here, you can clip them on, so they're sunshades. We have this kit right here is actually for it's just screen protectors for the GoPro Hero 13. These are also screen protectors for the GoPro Hero 13. We have several of those. We have two 256 gig memory cards here, Sandisk Extreme Pros, and we have two 512s here. These are actually for the cameras that are permanently mounted in the dash cams in my truck. And then we got a couple FConcept bags here, different style bags. So this one is a 12 liter. This one is a 10 liter. That is an 8 liter. This green one here is an 8 liter, and that's a 5 liter. And then we have this big sling bag here. And then I have a FConcepts version of the small rig 99 amp hour V-mount battery. So these batteries have V-mounts on them, and this is actually a V-mount adapter plate that comes with a metal V-mount for the unit, so I can mount this to a setup for extended record times. So some of this stuff is not necessarily for the Osmo Pocket, but all of these accessories right here are. So these are all different filter kits. So ND8, ND32, ND16, and ND664. We have a couple black diffusion. There's a black diffusion 1/8. These two are black diffusion 1/8 filters. This one right here is a macro 20 to 40 millimeter macro lens. This one is a 6-star filter. This one's a light pollution filter. This one is an ND8, ND32, and an ND128. Then we have a anamorphic 1.5 times anamorphic lens. We have a wide angle lens and another macro 20 to 40 millimeter lens here. We have an ND32 or an ND2 to 32. So this is an adjustable. You can actually turn it to adjust it. ND32 to 512. And then this is a black diffusion quarter and a black diffusion half. We have a CP filter. There's an extra wide angle here. Another ND2 to 32 and a black diffusion quarter. So we have a few quarter black diffusions, a few 1/8 black diffusions, a couple wide angle lenses, extras. This kit, I only needed the blue star filter, but you can't buy it separately. So this one also comes with a black diffusion quarter, a light pollution cut, and a star 6 times filter. And then this is a 16-pack kit. It comes with a bunch of things. So the 16-pack kit is not labeled for some reason. I don't know why. And then, just a few other accessories here. We have a gimbal screen protector here. That's what that guy is. And then we have some screen protectors and a microfiber cloth for the Osmo Pocket 3. And here is the Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo. So it came with this little tripod. It came with this little extension handle with a 1/4-20 at the bottom. Came with DJI mic transmitter 2. It's a DJI mic 2 transmitter with the cushion. Came with this bag, the charging cable, instructions and stickers. It came with this extension charging handle. I need to charge this up. It only has like 30-something%. And then we have this guy right here, which is the unit. So we have quite a bit of accessories here. And then you flip this screen open, it turns on. There we go. This allows you to move the gimbal. If you push that button, it flips it to selfie mode. Which is you guys watching me watch you. Ha. And then you can just push that screen back. It says 75.26 hours. I do have a 2 terabyte memory card in here. And then these sunshades right here, they just clip on the front of the screen. And then it also did come with, I'm gonna set this guy here. There we go. It did also come with a wide angle lens as well. And you could just magnet it into this cover. So pretty cool. And this guy covers the back. That's what that's for. So I'll cover the back of the unit. Give me a second and I'll show you guys. There you go. So it will, this FConcepts back cover for the DJI Pocket 3, it will attach directly to the one that comes in the creator kit. So pretty large protection there. And I'm going to store it like this in the bag. But just wanted to show you guys the accessories. Just wanted to show you guys the accessories, what I picked up. And these are just wallets. These I'm using for business cards. Peace.